In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open YouTube in Chrome browser. Not the app. If you are tired of links bouncing you into the YouTube app, or you just prefer using Chrome, I'll walk you through several reliable ways to keep YouTube in the browser on your phone. First, the simplest method is direct URL entry. Open Chrome and type youtube.com or m.youtube.com directly into the address bar. Then press Go. Entering the address yourself tells Chrome to load the website instead of handing the task to the app. If you see a prompt asking how to open the link, choose Chrome so it stays in the browser. On mobile, you can also force the full web experience. In Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right and select Request Desktop Site. This tells the site to show the desktop version in your browser, which helps prevent it from redirecting to the app. It's especially useful if the mobile page tries to nudge you into opening the app. Another handy approach on Android is the long press method. When you are on a Google search results page, press and hold a YouTube result and choose Open in New tab. Opening it in a new tab often bypasses any automatic handoff to the YouTube app and keeps playback and navigation inside Chrome. If the app keeps taking over, you can disable supported links for YouTube on Android. Open your device settings, go to Apps, find YouTube, then set as default and turn off Open supported links. This prevents Android from automatically sending YouTube links to the app, so Chrome can handle them instead. The exact wording of these settings can vary by device, but the idea is the same: stop the app from claiming YouTube links. You can also use incognito mode in Chrome. Open a new incognito tab and go to YouTube.com. Incognito works without your saved cookies or extensions and can help reduce prompts or redirects. Just remember that you won't be signed in there, so your subscriptions and history won't appear unless you log in within that session. These methods can be used separately or together, depending on how strict your device is about opening the app. That's it. Thanks for watching.